na odo party sem no wahwe ni wade ato nchen yesa and ye then you will not be happy because this is a platform you better tell you uncomfortable truth no cry say padi ye papa and when comfortable say Ghana year sa segment we no just a wonto the ebema abuafuo the ebeye wo den yemfa ho say ebema Ghana yi nko and that's our priority enu ne hia but quickly yamura ne asie eye mrahye bedwani enkra ne kire se yache no amanoni eye asante achim nof mrahye bedwani kwame ohene frempon ewo Schiphol airport Amsterdam in the Netherlands wono echi ni wo awuni mp no oba Facebook Nhyira 104.5 the time in Parliament in fact one in the constituency no one mo doni yi pa ne manfo e woni mpesu aso doni yi pa enra wutie interviews Akokoa so amanfo ne wokrum ho no ensem mo ka ne mo a wode aboa wo mo ne ebra wo bo no ho no awutimu se eso ani na o parliament no nkomodie kasa ne ade bi mo nko parliament o mo nkasa da papa you are very active we ebra o parliament yintie no kakra
severally that they want to hear or understand most of what we speak about in Parliament in the local language. So if I can indulge you on that, I would really appreciate it.
Is that so?
The arrest of MP Kwame Ohene Frimpong in the Netherlands.
Most of my constituents have told me severally that they want to hear or understand most of what we speak about in Parliament in the local language. So if I can indulge you on that, I would really appreciate it.
Is that so?
The MP no and also regional Parliament sabre no can say and no many bu an crop for person motini twi bro mo kasa o Parliament ntinka obeso o kan say ni twi say speaker be pre ama no a just utimi say na ne ho so anika oyobi a o ben no utimi say o manfo ni di ne ho adanse pa na ensem ne beto odwa no na say ye nheda anyi ni papa na manfo bobodi ni ade a badenra na mrahye bedwafie wo mo de abeto dwa say ampa openi no mpenifo ache no ewo abrochimam na ohwa Parliament of Ghana detention in The Hague Netherlands of honorable member for Asante Achim North constituency Mr. Kwame Ohene Frimpong. Also, it has come to the attention of Parliament that the honorable member for Asante Achim North constituency Mr. Kwame Ohene Frimpong has been detained at Schiphol Airport, Amsterdam in the Netherlands. Also, the Right Honorable Speaker and the leadership of the House are in touch with Ghana's mission in The Hague for detailed information on the matter. The public will be duly informed appropriately in this matter. We Ebenezer Ahuma Jetro, clerk of Parliament, and now also on in Sashasia Ababon teacher say ampase papai ya de say wono mo ache no ewo abruchimemu na ne ani na muane say eno ya tesem se asisi kasem bi ene brebia ebia waba enhyeda emfa kwamu about $32 million eno ya tesem a wo mo keka no wase but as of now there's no official charge edane so say the allegations and I said the man for work no say why fraud bi ni no manoma bi ntini a kire no no kre there's no official release bi and say information be from abruchimamu a ya kire no ho no say enunti and ya kire no nti no de edanchen baby na majority leader ewo parliament nso akasa majority chief whip Roxy Nelson de Femapo ono so akasa ne kasa ye gina mu ochire mu se Ghana yetu anamon yeda musini a wo Netherlands ne other places yede no beko nyina no US nyina no wo mo hwe so be ya arrangement ne ade se be ya court cases ni nyoma pa lawyer fo a wono ma bene yi won betumi agina mu na wahwe se emra se de etie no won bedi mpepepe ma no ma akoyi nti the information coming in se sisi ade empenifo ya arrangement wono mo hwe se impo ekopie court a lawyer for ewo ho a won betumi ahwe na wono mo agina mu etumi etwitwa de agene wo sa kwan no so na eho nsem ne namu but ensem we nyina ekoso no I mean it's early days yet it ni ye hwese de bekwa akosie whether said ye tete wase ne ye nokre ana enye nokre yintwa tosuo bi ana bibi nti as of now de ba bi a egina no na when it came out na me share reactions ekoso no I was shocked at some people. Womo celebrated the arrest of this MP. Asante Achimnov MP no. Ye woni pa bia o mani age se yache no. Na fe na me nwanwa I was shocked. And I asked myself, say, is it patriotism yedo Ghana nkasa? Because this incident, a pure disgrace to the country. Is a pure disgrace. Emma Ghana said, in fact, Sabri is not proving. Charge bia maya yebetumi agina so aka se de enam ase ne ye no credit but se wo no a odwene bone se ampa enye saa na abanti kura yemfa ne ntum no. At the end of the day, no, say, ekowie said ye wo nipa bone sem wo pe no saa no kura no a. In fact, eye papa ma Ghana na. This is not a good news for Ghana. It is a wo dem finfini na ye 50-50. Say betumi aye no kure, enye no kure anka de he pa na wo do Ghana obefa. Me a me do Ghana yi, ka me pene se asem we kura mi ase kura na nka enye no kure na papa ye gya no no aba Ghana san se ekoba se eye no kura na ye de ye twe na bo so a ewum so no na akoye na de bi obebre de ba Ghana nso ani magu ase se a sitting member of parliament you ya chi no abruchi bam eye ni mguase. In fact ewum said this is not the first time there, but eye ni mguase de mo man Ghana. It is a way obi a wo do Ghana na odwene Ghana ho na opɛ Ghana ni munyam yi a ɛwɔ international community na nimu dia. That wouldn't be your prayer. This will not cause for jubilation. Ka wo ni ahurusi ehurihuri te sɛ de bibi papa bi na aba ɛde ama Ghana no. This is even going to dent our national reputation if it happens that is true. So what exactly and I will celebrate I will jubilate about? Eye sabi beye ni nipa bonesem ene adwene bone ne be mu obi adi ahurusie ewo ade bi a ebegu oman animu asekra. It's only witchcraft. Ene nipa bonesem ni adwene bone ne be mu obi ajubilate. Say obi a wote mrahye bedwafie se ya oman animu nyam bi kura no yache no na wo be expect se enye no kre na na se wo che odwene ho a wonte ase. I told you that this is not the first time ye chi obi wa manone we embrashe bedwani ye kai 2005 2007 between 2005 2007 honorable Amoaten ne die na nya asem ketwa. So what is the jubilation for? Omo jubilate no eye ba yi ananze nipa bonisem eyi Kwame Ohene from Pon ayache no a mo jubilate no no ba yi ananse eye nipa bonisem. It remains rumors say we no akoye but ukra do nya substantive evidence. You have started jubilating. Obi ko kan we dey by elections say ba and we dey say. So is that your expectation? Forgetting about the reputation of the country. Say Ghana kra ni munyam be wie say. It is all akwanya bia enka wo pre papa de ye. Senke be wi ase no kra no. Nanko come out innocent, but you are rather jubilating. Ghana will processes are faso. Arrest no kwa alone doesn't actually create a vacant seat in parliament. Arrest si achi MP nkwano and create vacant seat e parliament. Yenim die create def MP biewu to say yenkai ho ya owura jonkuma di eno a creative vacancy court be a ruling to say sin of the ko ye sa akoto abai ni nyina ye no ma ye constitution no ekre. In fact me catch us Eric Amoaten 2005 2007 sa MP no a sitting MP no a ye chi no ni seat ni nya immediately no an ye declare no say seat ni vacant. It goes through a process, a prolonged one be a prolonged absence. No crowd, be a nyina so wom. Say speaker be nya to me declare seat in vacant. Now her man for jubilate. Article 97 1C no. MP no kura betumi elusu ni seat. I just were absent for about 15 sittings without permission or justification. And the word is that without permission or justification. Edi nyina so bia ye gitumo yeye. Enti for the fact say yache no nko doesn't create a vacancy in parliament ya. Obi be gina so na wo jubilate. For what reason? Ai na ya ne ye gina ya nyine nko nkan sa no. Ya gina ya nyine nko nkan so man no ankasa yedi no hia is all about our personal interest. It's all about partisan whatever it is. Just all gina ho kra won tiase. Mo amoye sa na shameful. Na ebi mu trotro wo mu post mu or mu Facebook page ni ade na just say they are happy, jubilating over something that could even tarnish the reputation of the country. Though outcome no cry my you hu dia kosi yesi obi ye innocent until say ye be proven guilty. Court will be determine or ye innocent. So why this? Se munu sa politics, they be politics. Na o man no sa. Enti se ekowiase no na ne hunsu a jubilation so wani ewu. Na nko wani ewu. Ekoba kura nso se bibi se de wo mpai bobo ne a wo bu isa na tie mpo a Ghana nso wani magu ase. Tu wo mpai pa bi a boma Ghana yirio ni Ghana ni munyam. Because none of us can actually confirm say asemo mo kato abranti yesu ye nokre until say ombe determine or court with all evidence abi show. And what are you jubilating on? Shameful act na moye no. This is shameful. Amanyo sema mai sebe ebinu omunyansa no ntimi nya adwuma. Omunyansa no ntimi nya adwuma. Na beda na omaye tunpon in that regard. Yes, say isuban. It's too bad. Na me hwe manfo post ni page said omu church no ma bi kra na me raho. I'm asking, are they Ghanaians? Are these people Ghanaians? Omu ye Ghana fo a omu wo Ghana do. Abusian fancy ya.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira
104.5 Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira
104.5